Korlieteh water project update. Now this video is going to be in English and Krobo. If you want to listen to the Krobo version, please forward the video. Now today the engineers and the drillers went to Korlieteh to dig the borehole, but we have a problem. We have a very big problem. Now they couldn't get water close to the surface, so they have to dig really deep, about 80 to 90 meters, and that's really bad because you cannot fix a hand pump when the water is that far away. So we had to stop. So we stopped the project in Korlieteh. Now we told the people in the village for them to meet up and see if they would prefer a well instead of the borehole, since we cannot fit the hand pump. So they are going to meet and let us know later. Now we are not going to wait, right? We are not going to wait. We are going to pick the next village and then go and dig the borehole there. Hopefully we'll get water at the surface in that village, in the new village, at the new village. So that's what we are doing. Now the drillers and engineers, they have to take 4,000 Ghana from us because they went there, and as soon as they take the drilling machine there, they will have to pay them 4,000 Ghana. So we lost 4,000 Ghana. So we've stopped the project in Korlieteh and we are going to move to a new village. If we find the village, we'll come back here and let you know. Engineers or make a drillers or me aya Korlieteh mono ne aya pick a drill borehole or say problem ba and then you won't ponya a drill name you walk as you can 80 to 90 meters local and upon you then you won't KGO. I been you use hand pump because hand pump or a minimum pump you won't because AK you won't low wakpa project or wakpa what they make akpa because engineers are making K I choose junkin law what they make akpa low wakpa project wakpa borehole project or make Korlieteh law what they make you want okay akwe I hear can I'm so a saluka as soon as sa or my back number to army say what be blow what mala you want no hikman or machua and borehole on a legion or machua what be blow or mala you want no hikman or machua on a legion wa lusika because borehole to aliame and 4,000 Ghana because now a legion na drilling machine ya ha wa mo menu la 4,000 Ghana ngwade lo you want to try makwe me ka hian sa amache wa back later aka me ban si no me ko mo to asa ha melo lo ingela ni mo de nyen le say Korlieteh project wa pa because atwa mo no say nyu be ko nyu he ke wa bi mo fit hand pump ne lo ike ni la ni mo la ni mo de ni chunka comme nous question ko post in the comment section mo chunka bye.